Have you ever listened to a song and thought to yourself, what are the chords for that song? I would love to make something similar, but you have no music theory and you don't understand chords. Logic Pro just changed that. They've got a cool new feature inside Logic Pro 12 that's going to help you to understand chord sequences and just give you inspiration to create your own songs simply by using a chord analyzer. I'm going to show you how this works. What this is going to do is help you to understand chords, what chords make up a song, and just help you to find inspiration to create more music quickly. So before you install Logic Pro 12, make sure that you've compressed your old file, your old Logic Pro session, just in case there's any problems. So to do that, just simply go to Applications, find your Logic Pro file, click on Logic Pro, click compress, and it will compress your file. I've already done it, so I don't need to do it again. So then I want to show you something. I've got this song here that I really like. I just love the chords of it. And I think the BPM is around 100 BPM. So I'm just going to create a quick loop. So here's the song that I'm talking about. That's enough because I don't want to get no copyright strikes. I like the chords of that and I want to create something similar, just get some inspiration where I can just switch up the chords a bit because I don't know what the chords are. So press G and you're going to see options for me to change the arrangement, marker, tempo, signature and chords. We don't want all of that. So just press Option and G and it's going to bring up a little box and we can just uncheck those, get rid of those and make it look a lot nicer and simpler. Then we're going to drop that track onto where it says chord and Logic is going to analyze the song and find the chord to me. And it has D major 7, F sharp minor, E, D major 7, F sharp minor. I probably could have worked that out if I wanted to, but you see how quick it is. So cool. If for some reason the track that you want to learn the chords from is a little bit more complex, then just simply split the stems. Uncheck everything else that you don't need and then click apply. Let's try other. That might be easier for Logic to analyze, but I feel like Logic has done a great job. So that's called Analyzer. Like, how cool is that? But we're not done yet. I'm going to show you what else we can do. So there's a new keyboard, bass and keyboard player. I'm going to click on keyboard and I'm choosing modulated pad. Let's hit play. Ooh, that sounds nice. So now we've got those, we can change them up by double clicking and we can go to presets. Crazy. So by using these little hands here, you can open up your filters. And we can use the envelope and the complexity just to tweak it up, make some changes, just create and make it your own. LFOs down here, we can change the shape of the... Yeah, I love this. This is, for me, just opens up a whole new world of creativity. You find a sample you like, a song that you like, drop it in, find the chords for it, drop it down onto one of your favorite synths, and then you can just modulate and just create all sorts of different sounds with it. Alright, cool. I'm gonna get carried away with that. That is crazy. And the more you play around with it, the more you're gonna understand it, more you can make it sound how you want it to sound. So the next thing I want to talk about is the drum designer. So we go to plus, click on software, we're gonna choose drum machine designer. Click create, and we're gonna choose some drums, some nice electronic drums. I'm gonna go for, we choose drum synth kit. Go to our step sequencer. And we're just gonna drop in. Ooh. So right now, let's make it a little bit smaller so we can see. Add a little snare in there. So what we can do is, there's a little button up here now where we can randomize our pattern. Say for example, some hi-hats. I'm gonna add some hi-hats in there. Click on randomize. If you like that, we can keep it where it is. You might not even like what it's doing, but you can just remove something. So you see how quickly you can just create a song, a beat, yeah? So now we've randomized, with these different sounds, you can use the drop down menu, we can randomize the velocities, we can randomize the repeat, we can randomize tie, notes, octave and chants. Let's see what randomized chants does. And if you want to, you can just go in there yourself and make the changes by simply going onto it and making some movements. So those are two of my favorites with the new Logic Pro updates. There's a few other things going on inside Logic Pro 12 that I will do videos on further down the line. For me, right now, the chord analyzer and the drum designer, which is something I don't normally use, is definitely something that I will start using inside my beats, because to get an idea down as quick as that, sometimes you have an idea in your head and you waste time trying to find sounds, you waste time trying to get your sound down. With this randomizer and just being able to analyze chords, you can get your ideas down quick without losing that, without getting out the flow state. Be sure to subscribe for more updates on Logic Pro, where I'll dive deeper into Logic Pro and its updates and all the other good stuff. Appreciate you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.